Wake up to a swollen face, under eye puffiness, or had too much of wine the night before? Well, lymphatic drainage or toxin removal is extremely essential, not just for you to get that tighter appearance or get rid of under eye bags, but also to reduce the toxicity level of your face and eliminate it from your body. Insert a AA battery like this into your tool, twist the bottom off. See, the tool automatically goes on. Twist it off, twist it on. Do you hear these vibrations? I know you love them. Once your tool is on, I want you to first break the lymphatic fluid or the puffiness from under the eye and over the lid. Point number 1, hold to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Point number 2, right where under your eyeball is. 1, 2, 3. Your crow's feet point. 1, 2, 3. Your upper lid point. 1, 2, 3. Your acupressure point. 1, 2, 3. Now that you've broken your lymphatic fluid, I want you to place the massager vertical like this. Swipe, lift and drain till your collarbones, eliminating or initiating that lymphatic drainage. Do this for about 3 to 6 times till you don't feel that all of the swelling has started to reduce and your face is tighter and tauter. For all those who are getting the droopy eyelid syndrome because of excessive screen time, this tool helps. Lift your eyelid like this and start to wink that side of the eye to the count of 20. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Boys, only do it in front of the mirror, not to the girls. On the forehead, we always lift upwards into the hairline and do a little bit of a wriggle like this and lift the massager. We do not bring the lymphatic fluid back to the central axis of the face. So up, up, up and down. That's how we work. This massager can also work as a first level tool for smile line correction. For that, I want you to place it parallel onto your smile line and make a small J. Hold for a few seconds and then take it till your ear and twist the device. Do this for about 6 times. For stimulating your jowls, I want you to move in an upward direction just around the jowl and twist, building muscle memory. Again, you will do each zone 6 times. Now remember, House of Beauty India never promotes lymphatic drainage of the neck in an upward direction, which a lot of you are used to. Remember, when you're eliminating toxins out of your body, it needs to come out. Just the way you urinate, guys. Remove these toxins off your neck in a downward direction like this, all the way till your terminus point or your collarbone for ease. और अगर आप अपने droopy eyes and droopy eyelids को भी stimulation देना चाहते हैं, 6000 micro vibrations की stimulation आप इस device को अपने droopy lips पे ऐसे hold कीजिए and count till 20. Do this on both sides. For your eyes, I would want you to lift your crow's feet or droopy eyelid region and just hold the device. Can I give you a little bit of a pro tip? Suffering from a headache, अगर आपको बहुत regular headaches हो रही हैं, आप अपने आप को दवाई लेने से पहले थोड़ी सी relaxation देना चाहते हैं, आप इस tool को circular manner में अपने मर्मा या acupressure points पे भी use कर सकते हैं. Use this all over your scalp and see how within 20 minutes your headache starts to reduce. I hope you enjoy this lymphatic drainage tool from House of Beauty. Happy pampering!